The purpose of making this video about Brahmandpadi Shri Saptashakti Mahagranth reading is just for information. With this, we are not insulting any human, animal, birds, caste, religion or sect. All the information given in this video is really told by Shri Maskoba Nath Maharaj Ji. So this video is only made for devotees of Nath Maharaj Ji. Then there is no need to clarify any concept to anybody. Thank you.
Please subscribe your favorite channel Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ प्रसन्न ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर महाराज उर्फ राजा भावनाथ प्रसन्न। ओम नमः शिवाय। जय देव जय काल भैरव जय देव जय काल भैरव। भद्र केदारनाथाला उत्पन्न झाले काळ भैरवनाथ नामे प्रसिद्ध झाले। जय देव जय काळ भैरव जय देव जय काळ भैरव।
ॐ भूर्भुर्गव आदिशक्ति ब्रह्माण्डच्च दिव्यशक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थच्च परमेश्वराय नमेन गायत्रीयं कालभैरव दिव्यशक्ति नमो शिवाय।
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महाग्रंथ। ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महापंथ। सत्य हाच धर्म। जसा खवळलेला समुद्र, जसा पूर्ण आकाश, जसा सूर्य, तसा मी।
In the last episode we saw peace everywhere in the whole Brahmand, and all these Shaktis will go to the lower half of the Brahmand. We want to recreate the lower half of the Brahmand in the same way that the upper half of the Brahmand was created. The life of the lower half of the Brahmand will also be 17 times, and its duration will also be 17 times. In short, we want to repeat the upper half of the universe in the lower half of the universe.
(16,34,000) years ago, before the inception of universe, and 16,34,000 years after the completion of 17 periods, the life of the Brahmand will not be considered in the 17 lifespan of the Brahmand. The years of the 17 periods and these years should be considered completely different. This is how Sri Brahmand invisible power explained all the original powers. Sri Brahmand Adrushya Shakti summoned the female form of Sri Tejasvi Brahmand Shakti in front of us and commanded her, "After commanding you to stop near the moon and incarnate in the form of Jyoti to create the full moon to the new moon." Sri Tejasvi Brahmand Shakti took the form of Jyoti, and that light took the form of female human body. Sri Tejasvi Brahmand Shakti's female human body height is very large. Her whole body is black in color. and her face is round, and her facial expressions are very calm. The face of Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti female human form is round, and the third round eye in the middle of both the eyes. They have eyelids and eyebrows on both eyes. They have noses and mouths like parrots. They have tongues inside the bracts of their mouth. They speak like us with the mouth. They have 2 ears, and both ears are as high, erect, and large as the ears of an ox. On their foreheads, from the top of the eyebrows to the back of the feet to the knees, there are tangled hairs like jata. Their foreheads are completely covered with jata, and they have 2 large horns on their heads that look like an ox horns. Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti has a neck as high and big as a giraffe's neck. On her shoulder, on their chest, there are 2 arms of women. They don't have the belly button. They have hands like ours. 7 hands on the right side and 7 hands on the left. So they have 14 hands, and the 14 hands have the same fingers as like us. But the fingernails are as big as a sword. They have 2 feet like us, and these soles of both feet are like us, but have 6 toes, and the toenails of both the feet are as big as a sword. They have 2 large wings like eagle wings on their back, and a big tail like a Maruti on their backs. Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti has Swayambhu weapons in all 14 hands. The first in her right hand is the Kamandalu in her upper arm, and the first on their left is the Shankh in the upper hand. In the second right hand is a bow and arrow. In the second hand on the left is the weapon Trishul. In her third hand on her right hand is a Gada, and the third hand on the left is the Sudarshan Chakra, is a weapon. In the fourth hand on her right hand is sword, while on the left is a spear. In her fifth hand on the right hand is a snake, while on the left is a plow weapon. The stick is a weapon in the sixth hand on her right. On the left, it is dagger. The last of the right hand is the seventh hand, Vaganakhe. And the last one on the left is the seventh hand, the Musar, which is a weapon. Sri Brahmanda Adrushya Shakti summons Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti's female human form and explain to them the task of making the full moon to the new moon and the new moon to the full moon by stopping them in the form of planets on all the 15 moons in the universe. The moons we see in the sky is completely round rock mass, and its viewing direction is south. The face of the moon, the eyes are facing south. The moon revolves around itself to the left, east, west, and when we see the moon in the sky, we see the lower side of the moon from the earth. Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti has taken the form of a completely black rock planet which is bigger in size than the moon, and there is no life on this planet. This planet is above the moon, that is, above the head of the moon, and the direction of the view of this planet is also the south direction. The face of this planet, the eyes are facing in the south. The planet is looking in south. The planet revolves around itself to the right, west, to east. Thank you. In the next episode number 9, we see the moon from the earth. We see the bottom side of the moon, and this planet is above the moon, that is, above the head of the moon. At this time, the moon is completely clear below. That is, the day is the full moon day. The full moon day is the first day at the beginning of each month. And this planet initially starts orbiting itself on the right side, that is, from the west, in the front of the moon. Every day, little by little. This planet comes down to the moon every day, a little bit from the west. The planet is completely under the moon.
ॐ श्रीनाथ म्हस्कोबानाथ श्रीराजा भावनाथ प्रत्यक्ष येऊनी अवतारात श्रीराजा भावनाथांचे गुरु श्रीनाथ म्हस्कोबानाथ दिव्यत्व एक शक्तीश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ श्रीनाथ म्हस्कोबानाथ तिन्ही एक संकट व विचार करुनी 33 कोटी देवतांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथांचा प्रत्यक्ष अरण्येश्वर दरबार भावभक्ती व येणारे त्यांचा गुरु व श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ 1000 पदव्या घेऊन पदवीत नाव श्री राजा भावनाथ शिव शंभो श्री राजा रामेश्वर पृथ्वी संकट आत्मलिंग गुरु पौर्णिमा दिवशी आत्मलिंग बोलावलेली त्यांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर नवनाथ प्रकाश ह्या काळात घडलेला नवनाथांमधला श्री राजा भावनाथ ओम नमः शिवाय श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ श्रीनाथ म्हस्कोबानाथ आई जोगेश्वरी कान्हुबाईश्वरी श्री काळभैरवनाथ तात्या महाराज पुण्येश्वरी दरबार येऊनी ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भावनाथ 33 कोटी व ब्रह्मांड पदवीचे श्री राजा भावनाथ श्री राजा भावनाथ श्री राजा भावनाथ
Please subscribe your favorite channel, Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.
प्रेम मस्को बना था जय जय श्री राजा